Welcome to first part of my Benelli garage series, and today we are going to do some basic maintenance. We're going to adjust the clutch cable and the throttle cable. So what we are going to need is a good sip of beer, non-alcoholic, some magic box of tools, and of course the star of the show, the Benelli TRK 502, in my case 502X. So let me show you first what we're going to adjust. As you can see, there are two cables leading from the throttle. One is pulling and one is returning the throttle back. So we are going to adjust first the pulling cable. So it's this one here. So what we are going to need is number 10 and number 8. First, how to measure the free play. You can use more scientific method and just doing it like this. Take your tape, mark some spot, put it all the way to front. Just go before you feel the pull. So you can see it's way over 10 millimeters. So first let's slide this rubber protection down and this one up. As you can see, there are two screws, two nuts. This one is lock nut. So we're first going to lose it, and another one should go now free. So twist it away from handlebar this way, and you will shorten the free play. Measure. Till 1 or 2. I think this is good enough. So once you find the correct spot, tie down the lock nut. Okay, should be good. The rubber's back on. Also, it's a good idea to check your idle rails. Make sure you still have some free play. And your throttle is coming back. Okay, next one, let's do the clutch. You move aside this rubber, and again we have two nuts. One is lock nut and one is to adjust. The free play should be 20 to 25 millimeters. Again, scientific method to measure it. As you can see, mine is quite a lot. I'm sure there is a proper instrument for these nuts, but I use the pliers. Release the lock nut. Shouldn't be too tight. You can slightly push and you should see the gap is coming smaller. Do a few twists and measure the free play again. Now maybe too tight. Let's go back a bit. Okay, this should be good. So secure the lock nut again. And put the rubber back. And that is pretty much it. So you should check your adjustment and free play more regularly. You can find in manual the interval where it should be checked. Also worth mention, there is also second adjustment. For the throttle it's under here, and for the clutch it's over here. So if you don't have enough adjustment on here up, you have to do it down.